buy fireworks. We're just waiting for the lady.
Which ones?
Two vintage.
Buy one, get one free.
Got our fireworks. Now go home and open them and see what's inside. Now we're gonna find out what's inside the firework boxes. Fireworks.
Let me leave yours in. She already started taking out. It's a lot. Yeah.
Do you know what that long stick is for?
Big box one here that shoots lots of stuff off.
21.
How many rockets?
Loads.
2 rockets. What's this? Oh, that's the tube. Putting the rockets in. What's this?
Yeah, that's
Oh, that's for lighting it. We do need to buy a lighter. It's quite a lot. For £20.
And whatever this is.
Time thingy. Some stuff. And we got another box with.
What is this big box?
That's rockets.
That's for one. It shoots 21 shots. You like that? They go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Don't even need them.
We've got some. Now we're going to put them back